Alright, beautiful people, so we're going to begin the breakdown process on these Redwing blacksmiths. Now these are a super nice leather boot. It's made from the Hawthorne mule skinner leather. It's a reverse suede technique and it's absolutely beautiful in person. Photos don't do it justice, video doesn't do it justice. Seeing these and feeling these in real life, they're super tasty. Alright, so we're going to strip these all down, have a look at what's going on the inside. Alright guys, so as always, first step up, going to be removing this heel block. Now, if you've had a look at these shoes, there is a lot of life left still in them. We've got not much wear on the soles, not that much wear on the heels really at all, but this is more of a customization than just a plain old resole. So removing this heel block, we've got the usual 11 nails in the heel. We're going to have to really just get under here, pull it up and see how we can get this off past these nails here. Bit tough sometimes, but we always manage it. So that's all our stitches broken, so this should just peel up pretty nice now. And we'll just get our nippers and we'll pull it away from all the nails that are in the back. Okay, so that's all our soles removed. Now we're going to have a look and see what's going on the inside here. Now, with these hardly being worn, not a lot of wear for these soles, I think we're going to be good with the footbed issue that we had in the last video. Yeah, I don't think we've got any issues at all with these. Pretty sound and secure. All the welt area seems pretty good too. So we're just going to be removing this cork, take out the shank, clean up this area, pop out some stitches, get it all ready, refreshed up for the new soles. Let's go. Alright guys, so that's everything removed that we're going to be removing. Now it's time to get these bad boys built back up. Let's go. So as always guys, thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. You know, I really appreciate each and every one of you dropping by, hanging out, providing some good vibes. So until next week, I've been Cobbler G, you've been legends, peace out.